For today's assignment, we are going to be looking at a check registry, writing checks, and deposit slips. Now, I know most people have just debit cards now and write very few checks. However, you still need to know how to fill out a deposit slip to put money in your account, and you still need to take care of your check registry, which you would fill out when you used your debit card so you can keep track of how much money you have. So for this assignment, it says below is a list of transactions for Michael Johnson's checking account in no particular order. We need to fill out the check register, the checks, the deposit slips, and it says don't forget to put things in order by date before filling out the check register. So it says note Michael's address is 84 Nottingham Road, Clinton, New Jersey. I'm going to have you guys change that to your first name, first and last name. And then I'm going to have you use the school's address. So 100 North Getsy Road, Carsonville, Michigan, 48419. Instead of this address here. That is going to have to be written on the checks down here, all the way down, right here. So your name, and then the address underneath. Okay. His starting balance was $4,540.78. So on the beginning of the check registry, right here, we're going to put 4540.78. So that's your beginning balance on that page. Then you have to go through and put all of these in order right here by date. So it looks like there was a debit at Wawa for $10.23. So on 3/1, it was at Wawa, and it was a debit for $10.23. So you paid $10.23. So then you're going to come over here and you're going to do $4,540.78 minus the $10.23 and write your new total here. Okay, so anything that's a payment or a debit, you're going to subtract, and deposits and credits, you're going to add to your total. And you're going to keep a running total as you go down here. So your balance, so you always know what it is. So you're going to continue filling out this using all of these given here. Okay. Then for all of the checks, it tells us, like for instance, on 3/6 right here, that he wrote check number 1012 to Jim's Barbershop for $20.50 for a haircut. So we're going to go back down to the checks. And they're still loading. Here's that line. Pay to the order of Jim's Barbershop. For $10 and I think it was 23 cents. I could be wrong. And that was on the 7th. And then $10.23. So 10 and 23 out of 100 cents. And I always put a line there. And then you're going to put your name here. And the memo is what it was for. It was for a haircut. Okay, so that's how you fill out your check. So you're going to fill out the rest of the checks down there like so. So you have the check register and check so far, and then we need to worry about a deposit slip. So I'm going to look for a deposit right here. On 3/5, there was a deposit of $300 cash. So on March 5th, there was a deposit for $300. So I'm going to put that under cash for $300. The date was 3/5, I think, if I remember correctly. The account number is right here on the check. So you need to fill out that number up here. That's the account number. The owner, oh, sorry, I went to the wrong deposit slip. This is where the account number goes. The account owner name is your name. And then it says sign here, so you need your signature there. And then filling out the rest. We didn't have any checks to deposit. If there was checks, you would put the check number right here with the amount you're depositing from that check. And then you're going to add all of those 4 lines up if you need to. So your subtotal is $300. Now, if it said he wanted to keep $100 as cash, then you would put 100 here, and we're only going to deposit 200. That did not say that up there. It said he was just depositing $300 cash. So our total deposit is going to be the 300. Okay.